Well, we're back on Serge's job. His sister's over doing some backfilling. Well, Serge is at lunch. And this is our second load. The other load you saw in the last video came from this job. That was the first load we took. Jill came with me this trip. And of course, she's been piling the brush and cleaning up. We probably have at least 2 loads left. So this one here is going to go for a firewood delivery for a load of logs. So we thought we'd bring you guys along. Third week in October and no snow yet. Beautiful day today, 46 degrees and a very light breeze.
Well, hi everyone. This morning we have picked up a load of logs for a customer who's just wanting the logs. They didn't need it cut and split. So I thought we'd bring you along. Jeff right now is just getting some logs or poles put down so he can put the rest of the logs on them and keep the logs out of the mud and keep them clean. Birch. He'll cut it down into firewood. And it's about 2.5 cord per load here. looking load.
So we're here with Dave. We brought a load of logs over, Firewood logs. We've been selling quite a few loads. His buddy got a load, and so Dave saw it and he wanted it.
Yep, I got a nice project going, building a sauna out of cottonwood, and got the milled up logs stacked up over there, getting ready to go up.
So yeah, so a nice sunny day here today, and I said the cottonwood, when Dave come up with his buddy there, we had the sawmill, and I was telling him about the cottonwood, and there's a lot of it around, so, and it's inexpensive, you know, easy to get, so
Yeah.
He's got some milled up, and if we're back here this next spring or next fall and you got the sauna done, we'll take you for a tour.
Absolutely.
Kind of making me jealous, because yesterday when I was up to another friend's house delivering a load of logs, he just built a new sauna all out of cedar, just gorgeous, but he's got nearly 15,000 in materials in that, because all the cedar had to be imported up. It is beautiful, but a lot of money.
Yeah.
So we'll be back with you guys. There's my driver. There's my co-pilot, Woodhound, for my truck, Isabel. So we went over today and cleaned up Serge's job, and got back. Joe took the trailer and the 550, and we cleaned up a bunch of scrap. As you can see, I got some longer stuff on here, some shorter stuff in the back of the truck. So we'd like to thank you for coming along with us today and putting up with us. We keep the sawdust flying in the Alaska Woodyard.
And thanks for coming along.